Want to learn a sweet, candy-like makeup look? Just use 2 shades of eyeshadow and create a whole world of color. Hi lovely, welcome to this video. Listen up, sweethearts. Lightly dust a tad of setting powder so the shadow can blend more easily. 2. Pink/peach color cherry blossom. With a medium brush, dab pink or peach on the inner corner of the lid. Bring it a bit toward the center, but keep the main focus near the inner corner. Soften the edges with a clean brush until it looks really soft. Three, orange color tangerine. With another brush, apply orange from the center of the lid to the outer corner. Intensify the color in the center and blend it outward a bit. Very softly lift the boundary between orange and pink with back and forth motions to create a watercolor gradient. finishing and glow sparkles. If you'd like, add a very light highlighter dot in the inner corner to brighten the look. I'll also put a light orange under the eye and a very pale golden shimmer on the lower lid. Apply light mascara to the lashes to make the eyes look bigger. And curl them first, dear ones. I'm wearing pink blush. And a glossy pink lip liner or lipstick for my lips. Believe me, gorgeous girl, this makeup looks amazing up close, soft, cute colors. Lovely people, please subscribe, like, and comment. Your support means a lot to me. Until the next video, bye for now.